let's pray together.
Mudah-mudahan mereka berdoa merupakan kepercayaan yang masing-masing. Berdoa dimulai. Berdoa selesai.
Now I will check your attendance. Muhammad Yuda, Muhammad Yuda, Evalina, hadir Miss, Firda, hadir Miss, Alifa, hadir Miss, Nazwa, hadir Miss, Yuri, hadir Miss, Ika, hadir Miss, Farida, Theo, Oke. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang self introduction, learning English through literature based on Thank You Ma'am by Nasri Cute. Pertama saya akan bertanya, misalnya kalian berada di lingkungan baru seperti sekolah atau bertemu teman baru, itu apa yang pertama kalian ucapkan jika bertemu seseorang yang baru kalian temui?
Hai.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your number ya? Okay, good. Now, pada kita hari ini kita akan student will be able to recognize the purpose, structure, and important vocabulary used when introducing themselves in various situations. And student will be able to introduce themselves in front of their friends confidently, fluently, and using appropriate language according to the situation. Okay. This today activities. First, we are gonna watch a short video. Thank you, ma'am. And second is discuss the character and their introduction, and fill in the worksheet about yourself, and practice role play with your partner, and perform in front of the class. Okay. Pertama-tama, kalian ada yang sudah tahu belum cerita Thank You Ma'am ini? Yes. Oke. Sebelum kita menonton videonya, kalian harus pay attention to how do the characters greet each other, and what words they use, and how is their body language.
She was a large woman with a large purse that had everything in it but hammer and nails. It had a long strap, and she carried it slung across her shoulder. It was about 11 o'clock at night, and she was walking alone when a boy ran up behind her and tried to snatch her purse. The strap broke with a single tug. The boy gave it from behind, but the boy's weight and the weight of the purse combined caused him to lose his balance. So instead of taking off full blast as he had hoped, the boy fell on his back on the sidewalk and his legs flew up. The large woman simply turned around and kicked him right square in his blue jean sitter. Then she reached down, picked the boy up by his shirt front, and shook him until his teeth rattled. "Pick up my pocketbook, boy, and give it here." Roger picked it up while she still held him. "Now ain't you ashamed of yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you want to do it for?"
I didn't aim to.
"You a lie." People began to stop and watch. "If I turn you loose, will you run?"
Yes, ma'am.
"Then I won't turn you loose."
I'm very sorry, lady. I'm sorry.
"Uh-huh. And your face is dirty. I got a great mind to wash your face for you. Ain't you got nobody home to tell you to wash your face?"
No, ma'am.
"Then it will get washed this evening." She dragged him up the street. "You ought to be my son. I would teach you right from wrong. Least I can do right now is to wash your face. Are you hungry?"
No, ma'am. I just want you to turn me loose.
"Was I bothering you when I turned that corner?"
No, ma'am.
"But you put yourself in contact with me. If you think that contact is not going to last a while, you got another thought coming. When I get through with you, sir, you are going to remember Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones." When they entered the house, she still held him. "What is your name?" "Roger." "Then, Roger, you go to that sink and wash your face. Let the water run until it gets warm. Here's a clean towel."
You gonna take me to jail?
"Not with that face. I would not take you nowhere." She spoke again while he washed. "Here I am trying to get home to cook me a bite to eat, and you snatch my pocketbook. Maybe you ain't been to your supper either, late as it be, have you?"
There's nobody home at my house.
"Then we'll eat. I believe you hungry or been hungry to try to snatch my pocketbook."
I wanted a pair of blue suede shoes.
"Well, you didn't have to snatch my pocketbook to get some suede shoes. You could have asked me, ma'am." He looked at her. The door was open. He could have run, but he didn't. You thought I was going to say but, didn't you? You thought I was going to say but I didn't snatch people's pocketbooks. Well, I wasn't going to say that. I have done things too, which I would not tell you, son. Neither tell God if he didn't already know. So you sit down while I fix us something to eat. You might run that comb through your hair so you will look presentable.
Oke, setelah kalian menonton videonya, siapa nih main karakter dari video tersebut?
Miss Jones dan Roger.
Oke, where did they meet?
Mana? Nih, gigal.
Siapa yang tahu tepatnya jam berapa mereka bertemu?
11.
Oke. Terus apa yang terjadi between Miss Jones and Roger?
Roger mau Miss Jones.
Oke, terus what did Miss Jones do to Roger?
Memberinya nasihat.
Oke, terus bagaimana responnya si Roger? Oke, good. Terus Roger ini melek kah atau dari mana kalian tahu kalau Roger?
Retrinya tahuan Miss ini mau nyurian loh tasnya Miss Jones.
Oke, berarti Roger tidak melek atau siapa yang melek di sini? Miss John. Di sini ada tahu nggak kenapa Roger pakai penyebutan ma'am?
Karena ibu.
Orang yang lebih tua. Terus kalau misalnya untuk laki-laki, oke, good. Oke, next ini dia dialog dari videonya between Miss John and Roger. Ini beberapa contoh polite expression important like ma'am yang kalian sudah sebut tadi untuk perempuan dan sir untuk lelaki. Sini example-nya. Dan the greeting expression-nya ini cara meng-greet people yang kalian sudah sebut di pertama tadi kayak hello, hi, good afternoon, good morning. And di sini ada struktur of self introduction, how to introduce yourself, like greeting, hello, and your name, and personal info like age, your school, and origins, and the closing is nice to meet you. Ini introduction-nya. There are 3 introduction way that you can use. The basicnya is hello, my name is Sarah, and the intermediate good morning, my name is Sarah, I'm 13 years old, I'm from Samarinda. And the advanced is good morning everyone, my name is Sarah, I'm 13 years old, I'm from Samarinda, Australia. Sampai Negeri 1, my hobby is reading books, nice to meet you. Oke, sini beberapa vocabulary-nya. Di sini ada yang about yourself, nama, umur, asal, sekolah, dan hobi. Hobi itu biasa yang kita lakukan di saat kita luang, seperti membaca, bermain bola, bernyanyi, menggambar, dan menari atau menonton. Oke, sini kalian sudah mendapat materinya. Kalian sekarang ingin experiencing tidak? Ya. Jadi nanti ada videonya, kalian ikuti aja instruksi di videonya. saja. Kalian bisa mengisi nama kalian dan selanjutnya umur dan asal kalian, lalu kalian bersekolah di mana dan hobinya apa saja. Saya akan memberi waktu 5-6 menit. Bisa dimulai dari sekarang. Sekarang siapa yang mau duluan menjawab ini?
Saya Miss.
Oke, Reva.
Berdiri nggak, Miss?
Boleh di situ.
Hello, my name is Reva. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Samarinda. I study at SMP 1. My hobby is dancing and singing. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Reva. Give applause for Reva. Oke, next siapa lagi?
Sabi.
Oke, Indra.
Oke, langsung mulai ya. Hello, my name is Muhammad Jaya. I am 13 years old. I am from Samarinda. I study at SMP 11 and my hobby is fishing. Nice to meet you.
Oke, nice to meet you, Indra. Give applause for Indra. Oke, lanjut. Sekarang kita akan role play. Kalian akan berpasang-pasangan, 2 orang, dan kalian akan maju ke depan. Oke, kalian akan berpasang-pasangan dengan teman kalian. Yang satu akan menjadi Roger dan yang satu akan menjadi Miss John. Dan kalian akan membuat dialog with each other, introduce yourself, and be polite. This is the example dialog. Dan waktunya akan saya beri waktu 5 menit. Jadi kalian bisa berpasang-pasangan sama teman kalian dari sekarang.
Oke, Miss.
everyone. Sekarang saya akan memanggil kalian untuk berpasang-pasangan ke depan. Oke, yang pertama Theo dan Farizal. Tolong kasih buku please.
Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Theo. I am 14 years old.
Nice to meet you, Theo. Where are you from?
I'm from Samarinda. Nice to meet you too. Thank you.
Oke, gitu. Oke, selanjutnya saya akan panggil Revalina dan Alifa.
Miss. Good evening. What's your name?
My name is Roger, ma'am. I'm 14 years old.
Nice to meet you, Roger. Where are you from?
I'm from the city, ma'am. Nice to meet you too.
Sudah, Miss.
Oke, give up untuk student. Dari cerita Thank You Ma'am, kita mendapatkan moral lesson. What we can learn from Miss John is the kindness she gave to Roger, and she helped Roger instead of punishing him, and forgiveness, she forgave his mistake, and respect, she treat Roger with dignity, and teaching, like she taught him to be honest. And value to remember when we meeting new people is be polite, be kind, be honest, be respectful, and be confident. Okay, these are the real life application when we use self-introduction like at school, like new classmates, new teachers, school competition, and future like job interview, university entrance, and professional meetings. And the social situation like when you meeting your friends, family, and community event and religious expression. And the summary, what we learned today is story Thank You Ma'am. And the character is Miss John and Roger. And we learn about structure of self-introduction and polite expression like ma'am and sir. And we learn about greeting expression, how to be polite and confident, and moral value like kindness and respect. Okay, I will ask you about what is the title of our story today.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. Who are the main characters?
Roger and John.
Okay, and what did Miss John ask Roger? Okay, good. And can you mention two greeting expressions? Okay, very good. And why do we say ma'am or sir? Okay, good. You are already now to self-introduction, and now I will give you the homework. You will create 30-second video, introduce yourself in English, and use the structure we learned before, and add one moral lesson from Thank You Ma'am. Oke, itu saja pembelajaran kita hari ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.